finally, the last product I want to present today is Raijin. This is also in beta stage and is a schemaless database for storing events. So NXLog Raijin is being built to address some challenges. Some challenges we all face due to the nature of events. And events are diverse. They are infrequently accessed. They can be sensitive. They come in high volumes, and they contain redundant information. So different sources use different formats. So you could have logs coming in as a JSON or syslog. And traditional event stores either ignores this structure or creates it by normalization and classification. In other words, by having to create tables and columns and establish relationship between those tables in advance. However, with Raijin, logs that contain some inherent structure can retain that. And Raijin turns that structure into a database structure on the fly. For as an example, let's say we have an NXLog agent that ingests some logs. It then parses them into fields and transforms them into JSON. There's a special module, especially for Raijin, OM Raijin, as you would expect. And this passes all the information to Raijin. And from the Raijin side, we can write a custom SQL-like query in order to pull the right information out. This structure can change over time, and all needed to modify is the actual query run on the Raijin side. No need to restructure your database since there is no schema. Raijin can help further with interactive analysis and reporting. Thanks to the simple protocols used and the SQL-like syntax, it can be easily integrated with third-party software. We currently provide integration with Grafana and Apache Superset. Just to mention here, this is not a tool that can be used for real-time instant response, but it can be particularly useful for visualizing the data that is stored and also performing in-depth discovery. Finally, logs can contain sensitive information. So Raijin is designed keeping that in mind. And it implements encryption to keep the data secure. Logs come in high volumes, and they also contain strings such as hostnames, addresses, usernames, event sources, etc. And this information is repeated often, which makes it very suitable for compression. And Raijin is designed to perform well when it comes to compression. Storing the events is also very efficient. So we're talking about 1/3 of a storage needed for compared to what Elastic Search needs.